Yes, almost now 0 0.3 BTC profit is going on, and our research has given a very excellent profit to free trader as well as our paid client, and premium service trader is also getting a very good amount of profit. So today we are booking now profit, and it is a very decent day says we have utilized the complete plus and minus of our trades and volatility of the BTC, as it is 2000 point volatility today we have seen in BTC, and we have grabbed this opportunity and booked the profit. So again we have proved ourselves that if you make it with a consistent amount of trade, you can make a good amount of profit even. So see the today's trade are many trades has been placed today. See, all are today's 4th March trades, all are on a 4th March trades. Yes, so we have placed around 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 16 17 18 19 20 trade has been placed today. So this is the complete trading history since the account has started. Can verify all the trading history, all the trades since the beginning. Yes, 23 February, 22 February, 20 February, 18 February, 17 February. Yes, it is started since 17 February, and 17 BTC, it is a huge amount. It's more than $1 million profit, and that's only the reason we are not now taking the more subscription. Actually, we are taking only the genuine trader who really want to make profit. We don't want the traders who are just not even studied about the crypto market and just want to trade without any knowledge. So we want only the genuine trader who are really want to trade, who really want to make a profit with us. So that's only the trader we want to help. And why we are taking the charges, as we are taking the charges so we can find the genuine trader who can really interest in the trade and who really want to make the some amount of the bucks, and in either part-time or full-time. So currently 2 to 3 years the crypto market is really remain into the boom. So take the advantage of this opportunity, and as soon as you enter into this market, you can able to get a good amount of profit, and this situation will not remain for a long. So currently there are new generations are entering into the market, so there are high volatility and high profit margin is available, and at the same time if you miss this opportunity, maybe you cannot get the same profit after 2 to 3 years. So currently you can grab this opportunity and you can make the profit. So do not waste your time, and if you are ready to get some amount and you are very serious about the trading, you can join. Else we do not care about others who do not just want to see, and they can even make the profit from our free channel. Wish you happy trading, and God willing we will update more this type of informative and live videos.